One minute you're riding a crest of a wave, next minute you're washed up on the rocks. Something creates this. You create it. We're going to teach you who you are. It's all played out on your stage right in front of your nose. The outside is only a reflection of your inside projection. Let me take you inside yourself so you kind of get the idea of what's going on. Why did that happen? Where did that come from? What's going on here? Blue's materialism, red's emotion. It will reject anything tangible, and that includes money. This is perfection. The symbol for this is the eternal flame. This is the super consciousness. This is the subconscious, and this is the conscious mind. You have all these different layers happening at once. Okay? Now, there's no limitation here. In here, there's limitation. Everywhere. Welcome to yourself. It's my job to teach you how this works. This is the beginning. Far out, man. Welcome to enlightenment. Cheers.